Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and now we are gonna unbox Boult audio curve from Flipkart, as you can see. And yeah, now let's just get into the box. And here we have the packaging, Boult audio curve. Right inside the packaging we have the Boult audio curve neckband. And here is a mini spec list. The price is $4.99 for 3499, but you can get it in $9.99. The link will be in the description of that cheap ones. And here is the black and gray version. I got the black and gray version, as you guys can see. And here is the features. It comes with IPX5 sweat proof and 3D bass, and the bass is pretty good on these headphones. I have used it. And they also come with a 10-hour battery life and 2 hours for charging. And the IPX5 is very great for exercise if you do workouts or something like this. And the button controls are used for answering the calls, switching music, etc. And we don't get fast charging on these headphones. Now let's just get inside the box, and here you guys can see it comes with a adhesive which is sealed around the box, which is sealing the neckband. Here's the accessories, as you guys can see. Now we will get into the packaging right now. Here is a USB cable from Boult, which is very high quality, but it will stop working once you use it for 1-2 years. As you guys can see, it's a micro USB, not a type C. We didn't got a type C on this neckband, but still it's better than not having a type C. And it does not support fast charging again. Here is the eartips. As you guys can see, it comes with medium and large eartips. I mean small and large. Here is the Boult audio curve warranty, which is 1 year warranty by the Boult audio. You can just go to the description. I mean you can just go to the website, or you can just scan their barcode. Here is the billing. It is shipped from Mumbai to the place where I'm living right now. Here's the neckband, and yeah, let's just get into the neckband. Here I remove the adhesive. And the neckband comes with Bluetooth 4.0. And the meter and the Bluetooth range is also pretty good on these headphones. It's 10 meters, and here you guys can see it is magnetic. And you don't need to worry of it to fall or something like this. When you're wearing the earpods, you feel like it's gonna fall. Nothing like this on these things. And the ear tips on this, you will get a medium ear tip on this, guys. And there's a mic also inbuilt, and there's a mic on the battery side also, which I'll show you in a bit. Here is the battery. The battery will be inside this, guys. It's a 10-hour battery. You can get battery of 1 month, I mean 1 week in one charge. They say you use it for 10 hours, but I got more battery life than the 10-hour mark. And here's the right graving. And sorry guys, this does not come with a touch control. And here is the power button. This is volume up and down. And here is the micro USB slot. It comes with a protective thing which will be useful when you're working out and when you're sweating. Yeah guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna show you the gravings on the left side of the earphones. You guys can see the quality is pretty good, guys. As you guys can see, it's very great. they don't get tangled as easy as you guys can see. And you can also measure, you can also set up the length of the earphones however you want. Guys, that's it for today. Peace out. That's it for this video, guys. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and peace out.